Hello, this is Sonia from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Just popping on to help you set up for this week's memory verse. This is the last one in the series of Sowing and Reaping. Love this one. It's out of James. I'm actually studying James now in my precepts group, so it's so nice to be reminded of this. It says, "And a harvest of righteousness is sown in peace by those who make peace." So a beautiful motivation that if we sow peace, then we will get peace also. So, yeah, this is the verse we're going to concentrate on this week. So you can put it behind the daily section. Your old daily verse you can put behind the even section. So with other words, you're going to memorize it the even days of the week. Your old even verse you can put behind odd. So you can concentrate that on the odd days of the week, like the 5th, the 7th, and so forth. Your old odd day of the week you're going to put behind your weekly. I'm going to put it behind Thursday, because I think last week we did Wednesday. So I'm going to move this verse that we've actually memorized in the beginning of the year. I'm going to move that into the monthly section. So you can put anywhere in the monthly section. I'm just looking for a place where there's not many cards. So mostly I've got 3 cards behind everything. So I'm just quickly squeezed by. Usually here at the back, I don't have so many verses. But because I've memorized scripture for a while, obviously I'm going to have loads more. So I'm going to put it actually behind the 14th because I've just got 2 verses there. So you can choose anyone. It doesn't really matter. You will eventually get to there. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this. We have, after this coming week, we have a week of break. So I will release new verses on the 18th of April, and then we have a week break, and then we'll start memorizing the new verses the following week. But I'll keep eye on my social media, and you will exactly know when to start memorize it. So tomorrow I'm going to go to my practice sheets. As you see, I've done it last week here. And tomorrow I'm going to go to my practice sheets, and I'm going to practice it there hard. So all the best for this week, and I'll definitely talk to you again during this week. God bless. Bye-bye.